everyone! This video is for you if you have forgotten the password to your CentralReach account and need to reset it. First, open your internet browser and navigate to www.members.centralreach.com. This is where the main page will appear where you would normally enter your login information. Step 2, click on the Forgot Password link under the username and password fields. This will bring you to a page with a few options to reset your password. The first of these options is to enter your username. You can enter your username in the box and then click Reset. The next option is that if you do not know your username, you can click Enter My Email. This will open up a box to enter your email and reset your password. Enter your email and then click Reset. Finally, if you know neither your username or have access to the email associated with your CentralReach account, do not worry. You simply need to contact the network administrator and they will help you retrieve your login information. If you do successfully enter your username or email address to reset your password, you will receive an email with a password reset link. Your password will need to be at least 8 characters in length. It will also need to have at least one uppercase letter, include at least one lowercase letter, include at least one number, and also include at least one special character. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact our administrative team by emailing scheduling@bluebirddayprogram.com. A member of our team would be happy to assist. Thanks and have a great day.